Hi Patrice, your Acorn Advertising redesign is finished, and so I'm going to show you how to navigate in the back end, check out some of your features, and also modify pictures and copy content on your pages using the Divi Builder. So this is your dashboard. You're familiar with this. On the left-hand side is your custom Acorn Advertising theme. Everything's under here, all your theme options, the theme customizer. The theme customizer is your Divi builder, or your Divi customizer, excuse me, that changes like globally settings of your website. And so I use this primarily in the design. You're probably not going to want to come in here and edit too much in here, but if you did want to, like your general settings, your site identity, your tagline, all this can be found in here. This is your Acorn Advertising toolbox that I added on top of all these Divi settings. So this is extra info, settings that you can change. But like you can see, this is about the header, navigation menu. So this will all change the look and feel of your website globally. But I just wanted to show you, like, this is the CSS that I added in to customize your website. That can't be done, using the theme builder. So yeah, so all this you can see if you want to update something, you can see it on the right hand side. Like say you wanted to update globally the scroll bar. So this thumb color is green, and if you want to say I want that purple, you can see what it looks like just by opening it up. There you go on the right hand side. So there's your purple scroll bar. So I'm going to change that back to green, and there you go. You can change the width of it. You can make it larger. It just takes a second to refresh. So we'll leave that, and when you like your changes, all you got to do is click on publish. Otherwise, what you see, if you close out, it's just going to discard your changes. So once you hit publish, it goes live. The changes are applied, and then we can close out, and this will bring you back to the dashboard. What you're primarily going to be using are your posts. You're familiar with adding blog posts. You can just come in here, mouse over, and click on Add New, or click on All Posts to edit whatever posts you already have in there. Let's see. And so the pages. So if you wanted to update images or copy, the easiest way to do it is to browse to your website. Find the page that you would like to update, and say we want to change some info on here. Click on Enable Visual Builder. So this is the visual builder that is built into Divi, where you can edit your page as you see it. So there are some components. If something is a custom component, like your sidebar is custom, that you won't be able to edit. I would just send me a quick email if you wanted to edit something on your sidebar, and I'll update that for you. I had to custom create that to look how you wanted it. So that is something that I wouldn't update. I wouldn't have you update, so just let me know. This is that sidebar here. So you can see how it looks a little strange here. It's because it's pulling from a different place, and the CSS isn't applying in the visual builder. Once I save this, the CSS is obviously applied on the live site. So something like this, if it's a component that looks like this in the visual builder that you want to update, just send me an email and let me know I want to change this from success stories to something different, or in a nutshell to something different. However, everything else that you see, say you want to change your photo, every module, every row, and every section has this settings button, and clone and trash and move. Mostly you're going to be working in the row setting, or the settings button, and mostly you're just going to be working in modules. So say you wanted to update this copy. You can come in here, you can click on the module settings. You see the title is about Patrice, the button says more, and here's your body. Now just bear in mind, you can always resize this too. If you want to change copy, and you're copying and pasting in text from Word, if you're in the visual tab, sometimes if you copy and paste, it's going to copy in the formatting code from Word and make it look weird. So if you're copying just raw text, I would come over here and just add it in the text section. So you can see these spans here. But if you paste it in from Word, there would be a bunch of code before it, making it look like it did in Word. And so if you want to change the button name, the title about any of this, you come in here, just edit the content tab. I wouldn't mess around with the design tab unless you wanted to change, say, the title text size. You can see that this blue highlighted one is the one that we're using. You can come in here and change the font size, drag this up. Spacing, anything. You can expand all this out and apply it. And then once this hasn't been saved yet, but you can see, any changes that you made live on the fly. So say you want to update your photo. You come in here, click on your photo, and then you'll see the little toolbar and click on module settings. So here's your image settings window. And so you can just click on your image, upload a new file, or select one from your media library. I'm not going to do any of that now. Yeah, and that will just automatically change up. And then just to save it, click your Save Changes. And yeah, so that is modifying a module. And everything, all your testimonials, you can see the black box around it means it's a module. The green means it's a row, and the blue means it's a section. And so, like I said, the green and the blue is primarily like formatting or like placement and structure, and modules are content. So I would just mess around in the module settings for whatever you would like to change. And anything outside of that, feel free to send me an email as you're on a maintenance plan, and I'll take care of it for you. And last but not least, this is the menu for the Visual Builder. It's not expanded by default. You can expand that out. And the really cool thing about Divi is this section over here. So we're in desktop preview. You can check out what it looks like on a mobile device. And preview that live. So you can see all that, which is really cool. Wireframe View. This takes off the images and just gives you the raw sections and rows and features and stuff. I use this a lot because sometimes it's just distracting seeing everything as it is, and I appreciate this view a lot, actually. It reminds me of how I kind of got my start. So yeah, so this is everything. And once you come in here, you make your changes, you look around a little bit, and you're all ready to go. You just click on the save button. I'm not going to save it, but just in case you forget to save, and you just close out or you browse somewhere else, it's going to prompt you. It says, hey, hang on a second, you have unsaved changes. Would you like to discard them or save them? So I'm going to discard them, but if you save and exit, it's going to apply the changes, save it, and close out. And it'll just close out of your Visual Builder and bring back the page. So that is editing on the front end. You can edit any page. So say you browse to your About page, you come in here and you want to edit, same thing. So like I said, this sidebar here, and this is a script. If you want to change anything in here, just give me a heads up and I'll update that for you. And I think that's pretty much it for now. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like over here. See how it doesn't apply the formatting because we're working in the builder and it's not looking for it yet. But like I said, if you want to come in here and edit, copy anything with the black box that appears up around it, just highlight, click the gear, and then you can change any of this copy that you want. Just click the green arrow when you're done. Let's go back to your dashboard. and see if there's anything else we need to review. Your testimonials, sliders in here. If you want to add a new one, you can add it right in here. You don't need to worry about the rotators, or you can update. These are all your testimonials that are in there now. Let's see. Your Jetpack settings are in here. And let's see, your theme options. These are your standard theme options for WordPress, not related to Divi. You get your logo, fixed navigation. Your default colors are all in here, so you can see the makeup of your website, and everything under this whole section here with your custom theme. So enjoy your new website. Please feel free to email me anytime with any questions or concerns you may have, and just stick to the visual builder using the gear icons, and just be sure to save it when you're done. And it's a pleasure working with you. Thank you.